Assalamu alaikum to everyone. So this is part 3 of the 7 Ages of Man, a poetic speech or monologue by Abdul Rehman. So this is a task for you. So this is the summary of the 7 Ages of Man, the poetic speech by William Shakespeare. So read this summary thoroughly. Thoroughly means in a very detailed manner, and then based on this slide, so there is basically a question in the next slide. Hopefully you read the summary thoroughly, means in a very detailed manner. So the question is very simple. The question is, what is the central idea of the text? So the text means the text of 7 Ages of Man. So in the previous slide you read the summary of the 7 Ages of Man. So what is the central idea, or you can say the philosophical idea of the poetic speech, the 7 Ages of Man? So you have to write the central idea in your own words. Thank you very much for your patience. See you in the next class.